All right, guys, so let's test the functionalities of our registration link. So in this application, we made mention that a user can register, but the user need to be able, an admin need to approve the user before the user can log in. So over here, I registered a user with the following details, and then I receive the response back, meaning that the registration was successful. Okay, now let's look at. I then try to log in over here using the auth2. So let me try this. Using the auth2, let me try logging in. When I try to log in, I got a bad um, a bad request error. I get on out out error, which says bad request. And then when you come to our Python server log, you could see that the person attempted to log in, and then it receives a bad request of 4040 status code.